Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be talking about the 7 stock what I've selected and which are a good quality stocks and which are at a good level. Okay, so keep in mind guys, I'm not telling you to invest or trade in the stocks, but I'm telling you my view what I'm having in this 7 stocks what I've selected. Okay, so we'll be talking about Nifty also, so we'll be discussing a lot of things in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And in this video I'll be only telling about the stocks which I've selected, and if you guys want to learn more accurate strategies and want to learn how to select a good stock for intraday trading and everything, you can join my course today. So you guys can go into my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. And also every day I upload like how much profits we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So I upload the live trading video. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. Okay, we provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, let's see how the market has performed in this week. So guys, if you guys can see, the market was in very good side today. So in this week the market was fully bullish, I can tell. Okay, so you can see the market was at a support level. From support level it has touched one of resistance level which was at 17,660, and that 17,660 is also given a breakout today with a good movement. Okay, so if this continues, the market will be bullish, or this can act as a resistance also. That will come to know once the market opens on Monday. So market can go in any direction, we should be ready to trade in any direction. Okay, I'm just telling you my views here. Okay, and now these are the indices which performed well today. So the Nifty Media performed 1.72% up, Nifty Auto performed 1.18% up, and the today, that is on 1st of April, so the market closed at 1.18% up at 17,670.45. Okay, so the market closed in a good positive way. So you can see how all the indices were almost in a positive closing sign. Okay, so this is how the market performed this week, and today at the 1st of April the market was very bullish. Okay, so now let me tell you about the 7 stock what I've selected and which you can observe for the upcoming days. Okay, so keep in mind, I'm not telling you to trade on the stocks, I'm just telling you my views only. If you guys want to watch my live trade what I do, you guys can subscribe to my channel, and every day I upload my live trading videos, you can watch that. And if you guys want to learn from me to pick the stocks like this and want to make consistent profit, you can join us now. The course prices are very less. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, yes, now coming to the first stock, Kotak Bank. So guys, Kotak Bank is at a good support level. So guys, keep in mind, when I say it is at a good support level, this support level can be a good support level, and also if the market comes in an opposite side, the support level can also be a resistance side. Okay, so this is just for an educational purpose and a knowledge purpose. So I'm telling you the good quality stocks which are trading in a high level and just come down at a support level. So I have picked the stocks like that, and I'm telling you about that stocks now, right now. Okay, so Kotak Bank, as you guys can see here, it is at a good support level. Was at some 1750, somewhere around there, that is 1750, somewhere around there. From there the stock went up till 1780 today, which is a good thing, and it has taken a good support here. So if this stock takes a good support here, it has all potential to go up till 1800. Okay, so it can go above that, and it can also hit 1830. Okay, and now coming to the next stock, HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, as you guys can see, it was coming down and it has taken a support, and from that support to from the support was taken somewhere around 1402, 1400, somewhere around there. From there it has gone up till 1500. So here is a resistance at 1500. If this resistance get broken, the stock has all the capacity to go up to 1560. Okay, and next come to the next stock, Coal India. So guys, Coal India is at exact support level. As you guys can see, it has gone up and it has come down, and today what has happened is it has sat exactly in the support line and it's given a good volume of buyers. Okay, so the support level was at almost 184. Today it has closed at 187. So if it breaks 187, I think the stock has a good ability to go up from here to at least touch 195 to 196. Okay, another 10 points movement can be seen in upcoming days if it is taking a support here. Okay, but if it's becoming a resistance, then the stock can also go down. But let's see how the market will perform. So all this stock performance will depend on the market performance. Also, if the Nifty 50 goes up, this will act as a good support and go up. If the Nifty 50 comes down, the support level will be converted into resistance level. So that's how the market works. Okay, and now coming to the next stock, Hindalco. So Hindalco, you can see here the recent high was almost 636. From there the stock came down till 562. Okay, but the actual support level lies somewhere around 547 to 550. So currently it has made a low of 561.5 for today. So if this stock touches 550 levels, and from the 550 levels it will go up, is what I am feeling, because right now the resistance level is very close. So it has closed at 570 today, if you guys can see, and the resistance level is right here at 588. Okay, so if the stock takes a good support from here, it has a good potential to go up till 590 or cross that 588, or it will easily come to 550 if the sellers are more in the stocks. Okay, so from 550 it will go back up again, is what I am guessing on Hindalco. And coming to the next stock, Titan. So guys, you can clearly see the chart here. The Titan has made a high of 2768 here, somewhere around here, and from here the stock has come down and touched the support level of 2484. Okay, from 2768 to 2484, you can see how big the difference is. The stock has come down, and from this support it is slowly starting to take a support. Okay, and now if this stock crosses 2550, it has all ability to go up till again 2700. Okay, so almost 200 points movement can be seen if this holds up the 2500 supports very well. Okay, so it's already trading at above the 2500 levels, but the thing is it should trade above the support level, and good green volume candle should be formed. Okay, today it has a bearish thing, but this bearish thing, if the Monday will come to know. Okay, if a good green candle forms above this, then it's definitely a buy for Titan, is what I'm feeling. Next, coming to the stock is Tata Steel. So guys, Tata Steel also same thing. You can see here the stock took a good support a couple of weeks back and went up till almost like 1366, and then it came back till 1300. Okay, so from 1300 today you can see it has taken a support. Okay, 1300 support has been held tight here from almost 2 to 3 days. It's standing there, and today what happened is it pushed till 1340 and it couldn't hold up, and again it came down. Okay, so that's why we are guessing that Tata Steel is at a good support level, but we need a more number of buyers for this stock to perform well. So even if this stock is taking a good support of 1300, it has all the ability to reach almost 1400 to 1375. Okay, that's what we are guessing on Tata Steel right now. And coming to the VPRO, so VPRO, you can see not much of a movement here. It's almost range bounded, you can see, and the resistance level for this stock is around 1617, and now the support is at 586. and today it is closing at 601.8. So the support level, as you guys can see, as I said, it's at 580. So if the 590 to 600 support level holds good in VPRO, you can see the good movement happening in VPRO. So it's almost at support level, and you can see good green candle has formed. So if it goes above 603 or 605, it can easily go up till 620 is what we are feeling on VPRO. So guys, these are the 7 stock which I have shortlisted for a good performance. So as I said, this is only my view, so I suggest you not to simply trade on this. So if you want to take trades on it, you can also do your own analysis and then take a trade. And as always, you can watch my live trades what I do. So I'll catch you guys in the next live trade what I do on Monday. So thank you guys for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also do subscribe to my channel. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my course now. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn more accurate strategies and learn more techniques of picking stocks for intraday trading and all the things. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.